How to make a temperature system in Roblox Studio. Create a part. We'll use the part to create a temperature zone. Make the part transparent and set Can Collide to false. Name the part as Cold Zone and Hot Zone. Add Screen GUI and Starter GUI and name it Temperature GUI. Add a frame in Temperature GUI and name it Tepum Bar. Add an image label named Indicator. Add a text label named Temp Text. Add local script in Temperature GUI. Writing the script. This script will update the temperature GUI so that the indicator moves smoothly. Getting the local player. Setup function for when the character loads. Getting GUI elements. Max frame is the max temperature value the bar supports. Snap range makes the temperature automatically round to 25 when it's very close. Updating the GUI reads the temperature value. If it's almost 25, snap it to exactly 25. Updates the GUI text with the degrees Celsius added in the script. Moving the indicator based on temperature. Whenever the temperature value changes, the GUI updates instantly. Run setup when the character spawns.
Add a script to server script service. Writing the script.
This script creates a full temperature system where players heat up or cool down depending on the zone they are in. Getting services. Temperature settings. How fast temperature changes. The extreme boundaries. The default stable temperature. Damage per second when too hot or too cold. Getting the hot and cold zones. This checks if any part of the player touches the invisible hitbox of the zone. If yes, player is inside the zone. Changes the temperature, but makes sure it cannot go below cold limit or above hot limit. Give players a temperature value when they spawn. This loop runs every frame and updates each player's temperature. We need the temperature and the humanoid to change temp and apply damage. Detect if player is inside hot or cold zone. Change temperature depending on the zone. Automatically balance temperature when outside zones. Damage player if temperature becomes dangerous.
Click play in Roblox Studio and start testing. If the script works, you can come back and further customize your game. You're now equipped to start coding in Roblox Studio. Let your creativity run wild and see what you can build.